Okay, so today I got this Sony, it's a 55-inch Sony. This is a XBR-55x850c, is the model number. And it's pretty much common problem or something with this television. Go ahead and plug it in. Takes a minute for it to, for some reason, takes a minute for it to boot up with the light. Right at the bottom, it's white. Okay. As you can see, it's booting up. Okay. Then the screen disappears, and then we get 6 red flashes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Chi-Town's finest.
Okay, just to verify the model number of this TV, this is a XBR-55x850c X850c, and as you can see, this is manufactured in October 2015, exactly 5 years old. Okay, now what happened with this TV, especially this one right here, which was what it was doing exactly when I first got it, is the TV, especially when it's cold, it will come on with the picture and everything, but after a few minutes or so, you will see half of the screen get dim or dark, and then the TV will actually cut off, and you will start getting the 6 blinks. Okay, so let me know that we possibly have a LED or a bad LED strip problem. Okay, now this uses the edge lit LED strips, okay, which I think are either 2 on the side or 2 on the bottom or top. We're going to figure that out. But this is our plug for our LED strips. Okay, that plug on the right with the red, those are the positive wires. Okay, so 1 for each strip, and then the strip is actually sectioned off because it will dim certain portions of the strip during certain amount of scenes. It's called local dimming, and so they're broken down into about 3 or 4 different sections on each strip, and that's what each one of these wires right here are for. Okay, so we're going to check this, okay, with our LED checker. So this is pretty much how this works. There's 2 positive lines on this plug, 2 red wires. This is 1 wire, the 3 wires to that 1 line, and this positive wire goes to the actual 4 wires on this line, and these are different sections. Okay, so we got 4 sections on each strip. All right, and so we'll start like this. Okay, so we're going to take our positive lead. Okay, I'm going to go into the LED plus, the first one. Stick it in. And it should be about 95 volts. Okay? And for each section, we'll go to the next one. 95 volts. Okay? And I can see a little backlights lighting up to the back of the TV. And I'm going to go to the next red wire. Okay? This one over here, and start with the black lead. You should be able to check each one, all 4 of them. 4 different sections on each strip, and they should each read, according to my meter, approximately 95 or 96 volts. That's one there. Go to the next one. Hopefully you guys can see that. 96 volts. Next one. $96 volts. Next one. $96 volts. Okay. Back to my first line that I was checking. Okay. The first section, once again, $96 volts. Second section, 96 volts. Third section, jumping around, right? Trying to stay at 96, but that is our bad section. And then as you can see, sometimes it will play, okay? And what's happening with that one line that I was checking, on that one section of the strip, we have some leaky or some leaky LEDs on there, and sometimes it will stay on. But like I said, once it comes in, the picture comes in and stays on for a while, you will notice it. You will notice before it cuts off, half of the screen will be dark, okay? And that's obviously the bad LED strip, and there's no way around that. I mean, who wants to bypass it and watch a half dark screen? It's stupid. So as you can see, I did mark it, the one that was bad. This section of the strip right here, one marked in red, right there. That was my LED checker. It was reading infinite open, okay, 200 to 300, volts or whatever. And like I said, sometimes it will read okay, because sometimes what happens is your actual meter will actually kind of rejuvenate the leaky LED for a few minutes or whatever. But I know that for a fact. That's our bad one. That's making the picture go dark and then cutting the TV off and then going to the 6 blink code. So we're going to replace these LEDs. I got 2 brand new strips right here, and I'm going to take this bad baby apart, put these in there, and we're going to have another satisfied customer.